Hey, I'm Isabela Grutman, IGK hair brand partner, and today I'm going to show you the new repair collection we've been working on and my everyday styling routine. After using hot tools, my hair can get unhealthy and damaged. That's why I'm obsessed with this new collection. These products are great for hair that needs repair and protection from future damage. I started by washing and conditioning my hair with Payday Instant Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. These formulas treat fragile, damaged, overprocessed hair to instant repair. Next, I'm going to apply Shinier Instant Repair Serum, which is silicone-free. Highly concentrated formulas that helps you split ends and protect from heat damage. What's great about this product, it absorbs into your hair. All three formulas include vegan silk and bond-building technology to reduce breakage and increase strength from the inside out. Antisocial is one of my favorite products from IGK, and I love it to use it every day. It's a dry spray mask that you apply to dry hair and leave it in. This also has vegan silk and bond-building technology, and it's weightless in your hair. You spray it and it repairs your hair while it smells great and feels so soft. I've seen a big difference in my hair since using the repair collection. My hair is so much healthier, shinier, softer, and smoother. I feel like I'm adding strength to my hair and protecting at the same time. This is the final result after using the entire repair collection from IGK. What I love about this routine is that you instantly notice a difference in your hair after the first use. Whether you color your hair or use hot tools, these products will restore and nourish your hair.